Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Shumanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Today, I want to hit you guys with a special episode of Hypebeast Updates. I haven't done any of these in a while, and this is the remastered version, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, if you cannot tell by now, the quality on the show has stepped up, and it will continue to in 2016. But let's speak on 2015. It is December, the last month of the year. I cannot believe it, guys. 2015 is almost over. Crazy, crazy year for pickups. It was like extremely crazy, and December has been even more crazy. And I'm not just talking about regular crazy. I'm talking black mom crazy.
Hey, I'm finna grab this last sun kiss. That cool?
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do. You'll be a dead son of a bitch, I tell you that.
Alrighty then. So let's get right to the news, guys. First and foremost, if you guys haven't heard, LeBron James signed a lifetime deal with Nike, which is huge. That is incredible. Katie got $300 million for 10 years. So how much did LeBron get for a lifetime? Well, I swear, LeBron probably a billionaire on the low, and you ain't even know it, yo. That's crazy, man. Shout out to the hometown hero. I'm from Ohio, so that means a lot. Seeing LeBron bubble up like that, man. Much love and respect, and strive for greatness, man. I respect LeBron all day, man. Next, I wanted to talk about the Kyrie 2 is officially on Nike ID. If you guys want to swing past Nike.com, you can check that out. The Kyrie 2 is officially up for customs on Nike.com. Next, I wanted to talk about, we have two Yeezys coming out in December. We have the Oxford Tan is coming out on the 31st, and then we have the Triple Black 750 that is coming out on December 19th. We got two Yeezys in 1 month, so that is incredible. So you guys look out for that as well. And the last thing I wanted to speak on was about Jordan Brand, and what do you guys think about the up-and-coming releases of 2016? We found out that we are reportedly will be getting the Bread 1 again in the fall, which is crazy. Like, it's only been, what, 2, maybe 3 years since they retroed the Bread 1, and now it is already back. So I cannot wait for that. I keep hearing rumors of the Shadow, possibly the Royals in 2016 already. So Jordan Brand definitely looking forward to going in our pocket next year. So you guys look out for that, man. Other than that, peace and love to everybody to support the channel. Much love to each and every one of you. Shout out to everybody, man. Even my fans in the UK. I was looking at my analytics and I was seeing people from overseas to support the channel and show that love. So peace and love to every one of you, man. And even you ghost followers, man. I be seeing a lot of you be sneaking, creeping past my page. Here and there you leave a comments, but you don't say nothing. With your looking ass. You need to say something. You should be on my screen just looking like this and shit. Oh, Arthur looking ass. Fuck you mean. Anyway, peace and love to all you guys. I'm about to get up out of here. You know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible Entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.